Welcome back to episode 27, and this episode is going to be another short one. I'm sorry, I really got to stop these like 1 day a week working on the truck things and actually get back to how I used to do it and just chip away at it an hour a night. We're just busy getting things ready for our American trips, so it's kind of 1 day a week's about all I can allow at the moment, but that's all good. I have a question for you guys. Let us know in the comments below. We're going to the States for 3 weeks, so there's probably not going to be a build video for like 3 or 4 weeks. Unfortunately, I just don't have time to film that much content. So instead of doing a build video, how about we do a vlog of what we get up to in the States? Let us know if you're interested in watching. If you don't want to see it, let us know also, and we'll make a decision whether we do a vlog in Vegas or not. It's going to be a good time. It'll be a very, very good time. And we may get up to some other antics in other parts of the United States as well. Anyways, managed to borrow a Pro Tools 105 bender, which is kind of like I would say the go-to kind of design bender for most entry-level fabricators, or even guys that are quite serious would use this. I've not had a lot of experience using this, to be perfectly honest, so I'm just kind of learning as I go. Can't be any harder than working my other bender, which is for pipe, not tube, so it's all good. I've got some 44mm roll cage tube in at the moment, and what I'm doing is basically, follow me, my new addition to the shed. Basically, it's like going back to school. Fantastic, isn't it? Full-size whiteboard in the shed. Got my to-do list, my to-buy list, and excuse the drawings, I can't draw to save myself. Basically, this is what I'm trying to build at the moment. My new gearbox tunnel, so I'm going to do a 90 here, 90 here, and a 90 here. What that's going to do, I'm going to cut that as close as I can to stick on the bits that I welded on the Firewall, and then that's going to come down, and hopefully I can get a tight enough radius so that I can bring that down and do the same, cut it very shallow, and then stick it on the existing trans tunnel, and that should form a nice rail and allow me to put panel steel over it, and then I can get easy access through here into the engine if I ever need it, which is magic. So let me get to work. I'm going to try and get this done. No promises, because I might completely stuff it up multiple times. We shall see. I don't like wasting steel. Roll cage tube is not cheap to play with, so we will see what we can come up with. That's the theory. This is the actual thing where I make mistakes. Let me get to work. This, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call a fail. That's what we wanted to achieve. Ended up too long in the bend, too much bend, and oh look, came up short. So yeah, start again. What a waste of steel. We'll get there, we'll figure it out. So here we are, got our first bar, comes off here, along here, folds back down onto there. Now what I'm going to do is put a piece of plate steel on here to mount down to. So I'll weld that to the existing trans tunnel, and then I'll weld this stuff to the top of it, make it super strong. And then I can kind of build off this structure down to here, leave clearance for an air ram for the PTO, and then I can kind of start redoing the floor and stuff. and I might actually just bring something from here across to here, and then I can like loop it back up to there or something. I don't know, we'll work that out when we get to it. But yeah, so that's it, one side done. Now the only issue is I have to make one exactly the same for the other side, which, as you can see down here, it's already been an expensive day. I mucked up the first one, and the second one, would you believe it, I came up about 200 mil short, 8 inches. So yeah, got a couple more sticks there. I'll get them out, and tomorrow or something I'll have a muck around with it. Now, it's another boring update, I know, I do apologize. I'm trying to get this thing done. Trust me, I want to go wheeling in it as bad as you guys want to see it done. So, trying my best, one day a week sucks. I need to work on a little bit more. Once we get back from the States, I'm going to get stuck into it and ramping up for Christmas and stuff. It'll be good to actually get some stuff done on it. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of this episode, and I'll see you guys next week with another update. Hopefully I get a little bit more done during the week. I'll try. Somehow. See you.